Hello, back again. So now we have an unboxing of Bob-O-Pedic Sky Mattress Firm queen size bed. Supposedly you don't need a box spring, but the delivery guy brought me one anyway. I did a video earlier for the Josh Gray queen size bed and frame, and also for the mirror and dresser. This is for my son's room. I didn't really go into details, too many details about the assembly, but it's pretty straightforward. About 16 screws, I would say, and they're labeled all over the place where they need to go, so it's pretty good. So we're gonna have this thing open up now, and we're gonna get Mr. Ronald to help me record. Ronald, yeah? You want to come over here and help me record?
What?
You want to record? Open this?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
All right. Sorry, excuse me.
Now go.
No,
I wanna.
This is on unboxing. Record me. Make sure you're recording.
I'm recording, yeah.
Man. This is an unboxing. You know what that means?
What?
It's a review. Don't stand on that. You're gonna mess it up.
I'm not gonna mess it up.
Come on, please.
Let's see if it doesn't get messed up. Wow.
This is a.
Now let
Back up. We're gonna record it. Stand over there again. This is a mattress and a towel.
What is this?
Huh?
What
You're
is
recording
this?
it? It's looking good.
Mhm.
What are you saying? I don't understand.
I said, what is that?
It's a mattress, man.
Oh, what is?
So this is what we get in the box. We get to put Ronald in the box.
Put me in the box,
Pull it
yeah.
straight, Ronald, because people need to watch this. I don't know what these things are. We have a lot of stuff.
What?
Back up, back up. This is gonna open up and explode, man. Come. Hold it, Ron. I need you to hold this.
Why?
It's going on YouTube and people need to watch this. Hold it. Oh my God, he wants to go in the box. Why do kids have more fun in the box than the actual thing? Alright, we're gonna see if we can get see if we get a good shot of it opening up. Over here. Right here. There we go. That looks better. So, I didn't see any instructions for this, but the delivery driver told me that.
There's no instructions?
No. He said just cut it up slowly, so let's go ahead. I have a regular box cutter. So it looks like this is an outer layer, just to hold it in place. And then Sophie, can you get that box off of that?
The bed.
Please. Alright.
I'm gonna cut the other.
So this is what we got. Oh, we do have instructions.
Huh?
See what they say. So we have Bob Value Express mattress setup. Thank you for purchasing one of our world famous Bob-O-Pedic mattresses. By now you've probably noticed that our new mattress has been professionally compressed and vacuum packaged. This was done at the factory to allow for shipping and handling. Just follow these simple steps and unpack, and you'll be jumping into bed in no time.
What is that?
It's like in a little bit of instructions. There are instructions.
Well, let me see.
And then we have mattress warranty. Back up, Ronald. Alright. So, what's funny is they have the instructions inside the mattress after you open the box. So they're giving you instructions how to open the box. Alright. Lay your box mattress on the floor. Open the cardboard box. Remove the compressed mattress. Place the mattress on the intended foundation of the platform. Remove the outer wrapping. Unfold your mattress so it lays flat on the foundation. Tear open the protective covering. Open it fully expand. Well, once it fully expands, manipulate the corners and sides to make it nice and square. Alright, so I was supposed to open this on the bed, but I didn't know because the instructions were inside. Alright. Wow, that thing is heavy. So this side goes on the bed. I don't think it matters what side it goes on, but this is the way it is on the picture, so let's do it that way. Oh, this thing is heavy. So I accidentally tear it open. So it's going to start opening up before I intended it to. This thing is supposed to be 11 inches. So let's see if it actually opens up to 11 inches. Put that in the box, please. I'm still recording. Ron, I asked you to do something, please.
And I told you where's my $15.
I don't have your $15. You left them in the house.
Okay.
There you go. I think we're going to have to use a box spring for this mattress. But it's kind of low. So, oh yeah. You see, that's the problem right there. Bueno, ese es el problema que yo te dije.
¿Estás grabando?
Yeah. So earlier,